How to buy Ethereum on Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bhuvan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Ethereum on or using Trust Wallet. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up your wallet. Once you open up and log into your wallet, you shall get an interface somewhat like this. You can see at the home page on the screen, send, receive, buy, sell and history option. You can simply tap on the buy option right there, and then you can search in from the search bar for ETH. Here you can see under popular, you can see ETH and Bitcoin. You can simply tap on ETH since you want to buy ETH. Then here you can simply enter in the amount that you wish to spend here. So you can see, then you can choose the payment method here that will be available. Now once you have selected the reason, your available payment options will be shown up there. In my case, you can see the credit card option. You can tap on it, add in your payment method, and then tap on buy, and then go ahead and buy. So this is how you can buy Ethereum on Trust Wallet. It's easy and simple. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.